My name is Faiz bin Ahmed and I will give introduction on our topic customer support bot. Internet are reaching to all the users gradually. It is seen that due to this there is a massive change in the way people are buying their product and how fast they want their queries related to the product to be solved. Social media is playing a very big role in this immense change. From the perspective of a consumer, getting any product or service via the internet is very synonymous with a wide range of product, less time spent and efficiency, which translates the convenience of people in their daily life. Since users are moving towards social media, there is a significant increase in users' requests for a company's product or service, and it is very challenging to process these requests and give a quick response. To deal with such problem, a lot of companies are forming a dedicated customer service team, and their function is to give a response to a user's request. The team is based on customers base and it is composed of dozen to few thousand people who are trained to address users' issues and solve their issues. Addressing people's issues manually is time consuming and most often it never reaches users' expectation. It is seen that customers service team takes a minimum of 30 minutes to a day to give a response. There are two issues behind this manual addressing. One of them is staff gets repetitive queries about a similar thing, and it is seen that the staff sometimes do not even reply to those queries. The other one is offering 24/7 service, which is quite difficult for companies, especially for non-global companies who do not even have a team. There are different kinds of deep learning technologies uh, that are used in recent time. Our papers, we have created a new conversion system between the user and the chatbot. Deep learning techniques such as LSTM, RNN are used to generate response to customer requests. Finally, it can be said that adding bot to a company service will add a level of trust and loyalty between the user and the company, and it is seen that companies can also make profit from chatbot. And the next part will be said by the other members. Thank you.
Everyone. I'm Tanzina Binta Azad, and I'm going to talk about sequence to sequence AI chatbot model and sentence level features model. So, what is sequence to sequence model? Sequence to sequence model is a combination of retrieval based and generative models. It consists two RNNs. One is encoder and another one is decoder. The encoder reads the input sentence word by word and emits a
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Kifayat Lamia Ihsani. Today I am going to discuss the topic of chatbots, specifically how they can be categorized based on several factors such as the level of communication and how responses are generated. The first type of chatbot is based on the amount of data available on them, which can be classified into open domain and closed domain bots. Open domain bots can address general topics and respond to them appropriately, while closed domain bots focus on specific subject matter and may not address other inquiries. The second type of chatbot is based on the level of personal interaction with the user and depends on the bot's task. They may make small talk or respond to the way the user's day is going, but their primary responsibility is to perform the task for which they were designed. Moving to the next topic, the long short term memory model network is renowned for its capacity to learn from sequential data. The gates control the flow of information and determine the preceding hidden state, while the memory cells store information from previous inputs. The model's ability to handle long term dependencies makes it an ideal choice for sequential data analysis. In a study of Prashun Nurzaki, the authors proposed the LSTM model to overcome the vanishing gradient problem is recurrent neural networks and demonstrated the model's effectiveness is predicting sequential data. The next topic is the use of bidirectional recurrent neural networks in chatbots. BRNN is a type of neural network that is trained in both forward and backward directions. The forward pass of network takes input from the past and predicts the future, while the backward pass takes input from the future and predicts the past. BRNN has the ability to capture long-term dependencies and has been shown to perform well in natural language processing tasks. Finally, the research aims to investigate the effectiveness of chatbots and in customer service and their relevance in improving customer service quality. The study identified five key functions of chatbots that are related to customer service, which are divided into two categories: improvement of service performance and fulfillment of customers' expectations. The first category includes functions such as interaction, entertainment, and problem solving, all of which aim to enhance the quality of service performance. The second category, fulfillment of customers' expectations, includes functions such as customization. In conclusion, chatbots can be categorized based on various factors, such as the level of communication and how responses are generated. The LSTM and BRNN models have shown promising results in improving the performance of chatbots. Furthermore, the research has identified key functions of chatbots that can enhance the quality of servicing performance and fulfillment of customer expectations. Thank you so much for listening.